Hello, this is Sarang. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I curl my hair within about 20 minutes. This is highly requested video, so I was getting ready and I thought, why not just filming now? So there are 4 things that you need to achieve this hairstyle, not this. I'm going to curl it, which are the 2 different curling iron. I'll put all the information in the description box, so check that out, okay? And hairbrush and heat protectant. The very first step that you need to do is brush your hair thoroughly. What I'm going to do, I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections, top and bottom. And then, oh yeah, you need hair tie, so 5 things you need. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make a little bun here. And then I'm gonna divide my bottom section into 2 in the middle right here, like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now you're gonna spray some heat protectant. And then brush it again to distribute the products. You're gonna start with the bigger curling iron. Grab a section here, about 2 inches. Here, we're gonna curl it away from your face. So I'm gonna clip it right here and turning away from your face, like so. And then we're gonna slide it down a little bit and then release it. And then turning again. And then release it. One more time, turning again. And slide it out. That's your curl. Whenever you're done, you can toss it over your shoulder so it doesn't get curled again. Away from your face, turn it, and then release it, and turn it again, and release it, and turn it, and then slide it out. It looks like a little bit not really fully curled. It's okay. This will give you the natural look. If you don't want that, then you can curl it one more time. Like so. It's more defined. If you want more defined curl, then you can wait a little bit longer or have a little smaller section. That's gonna make more defined curl. And then I'm gonna put the top section down, but before I put it down, I'm gonna separate this, the bottom section, and tie it up so it doesn't mix with the top section. Keep it just a little bit, and then brush it through one more time. From the back, we're doing the same thing. Rotate. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer because I want to make a little bit more defined curl for the top section. Turn, release it, yeah! So simple, right? But it's not done. We need to put some volume right here, so I'm gonna use a smaller curling iron to give a little bit of volume. I found that this is the easiest way to give volume to your roots. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. You're gonna get a small section and you're gonna put this little curling iron right here and then press it down and move it around until you get a little bit of volume. Look at that. You see a little bump? That's what you need. But don't release it right away because you want to wait until it's completely cooled down. That's how you know it's going to stay all day. I mean, you can compare this. This side has more volume than this side. For my bangs, hold it close to your scalp but not too close. And then that's it. Okay, you see the difference? This side is flat and this side has a little bit of volume. Move it down, go up and down. That's it. A little bit over. contour section. Don't burn yourself. I have burned myself so many times doing this. So be careful. Not too close to your scalp. And then brush it through. Easy, right? It takes only 20 minutes. That man wants to play. Go! Alrighty, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Or if you have any requests, let me know. Yeah, that's it.
Bye.
Bye! Pick up the kitty. The kitty. Oh.